Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we are going to establish SIC between security management server and security gateway. In previous video we have seen how to install security management server and security gateway. In this video, in this lab, we are going to establish a communication between security gateway and security management server. Let me log into the security gateway. Let me log into the security management server. All right, we logged into the security management server and I can see the state is good, everything looks good. Now to add the gateway here, what you need to do, you have to click three dot. Let me just use my pen to walk you through the options. So here if you see there are three dots. Let me click to that and I'll be presented with different options. Over here if I go to the new and I say gateway, I'll be presented with the gateway creation wizard mode, which is helpful to add the gateway step by step. It will just ask you one step at a time, and in classic mode it will give all the option at the same time. So now let's go ahead and deliver the same thing using the wizard mode. So as you can see, wizard mode open, it asking me give the gateway name. Let's give the gateway name gateway 1. And what is the version of this gateway? What is the type of this gateway, whether it's an open server or one of this server or one of this appliance. We have the open server, so I'm selecting the open server. What is the IP address? So IP address is 192.168.1.200 and it's saying next. Next is saying give it that one-time password which we use for during the SIC tab. So here we need to give secure internal communication password, the one I told you to remember. So let me give it that. And see the state here, it's saying uninitialized. Once I click next, it's headed to my gateway. From that gateway, these details get fetched. These are the interface details. And if I say close and I say configuration summary, it says gateway 1 IP address open server. Now it's saying SIC status. The trust is established. We have disabled the NAT for now and activate blades of firewall and NAT for now on this gateway. Let me finish it. And now you can see the certificate, the status saying generating the signature key. And now on this side you are presented with the properties of this gateway, and here you are seeing the trust is established. If you click this communication, it also gives you those details. Trust is established. And if you click this text SIC status, it's saying SIC status for gateway is communicating, and the DN distinguished name is this. As you can see that this SMS firewallgan.com is your organization. Now click OK, and if you like to select a particular blade from here, you can select that and proceed accordingly. So for now we are good, and we are successfully able to establish a communication between the security management server and security gateway. Now here at the top you are seeing different sessions and how many times changes happens here. If you go to the manage and settings, and if you click the sessions, here you will be presented with all this, this 11 session changes, right? We will discuss this later on. For now that part is okay. Let me go ahead here. Just go ahead and do the publish. This means publish means saving the things. So we are just saving whatever changes we have done into the management server itself. So here you can see the tick mark. I hope you understand how to establish SIC between security gateway and management server.